Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act now. Identify whether it is your Apple ID or developer account and gather proof. Start by recording the exact error message and capturing screenshots because those details speed review. Once done, locate recent purchase receipts, the device serial, and any account emails. These are evidence. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and payment details are current, since many holds are payment or security related. Next, prepare to contact support with concise facts and organized documents. Now submit a formal appeal through the correct Apple support channel and choose the precise issue category. Misfiling delays outcomes. Attach your receipts, screenshots, and device identifiers in one PDF so reviewers don't hunt for files. Explain clearly what happened, the exact dates, and the changes you made to fix the problem. Once sent, note the ticket number and expected response window, and follow up only after that window. This preserves escalation options and prevents your case from being deprioritized. Finish by completing any remediation Apple requests, like removing content or updating payment and profile details. After they confirm, sign out and sign back into the App Store on both device and web to verify access, then test a free download or account-only area. Make sure notifications and purchase methods work properly. If the case stalls, escalate politely. Call Apple support, use developer escalation channels, or submit a formal complaint. Keep records of each step in case you need to reopen or appeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.